Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone ringtone volume gets too low on incoming calls. But first, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more upcoming videos. So let's start the video without wasting any time. For fix number 1, I'll tell you how to disable the attention aware feature. You have to turn off the attention aware features on your iPhone. For step 1, go to settings. Then go to Face ID and passcode. You have to pass through using your passcode. Now find the attention aware feature by scrolling down and toggle it off. After turning it off, the ringtone problem will get resolved and you are done. For fix number 2, increase the device volume. Another common mistake that we do is to reduce the ringer volume, so you should check the level of the volume and adjust it if needed. For this, just open the settings app. Scroll down, go to sounds and haptics. Adjust the ringtone and alerts to the maximum level using the slider at the top. And you're done. This ensures the maximum ringtone level on your iPhone. Do check when someone dials up your number, it should ring at the maximum settings. I hope this video helped you fix this issue. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.